everyone, this is Samir. Welcome back to my channel EasyGate. Now we are starting our next lecture on absorbed and deliver power. Absorbed and deliver power. Now come to the first point. If current enters into the positive terminal of voltage source, then it is referred as absorbed power. If current enters into the positive terminal of voltage source, then it is referred as absorbed power. Okay. Now come to the second point. If current leaves from the positive terminal of voltage source, then it is referred as deliver power. If the current is leaves from the positive terminal of voltage source, then it is referred as deliver power. Okay, these 2 points are also valid for the current source. Okay, these 2 points are also valid for the current source. Now look at some more examples to understand this positive and negative absorb power and positive and negative deliver power. Okay, now look at this first example. In this example, we are given with a 10 volts voltage source. We are given with a 10 volts voltage source and 2 amperes current is flowing through it. Okay, 2 ampere current is flowing through it, and this current is leaving from the positive terminal. This current is leaving from the positive terminal, so that this power is referred as deliver power. Okay, this power is referred as deliver power, and which can be written as P deliver is equal to this 10 volts into 2 ampere. 10 into 2, that will become 20 watt. Okay, P deliver is equal to 20 watt, right? Now come to the second example. In this example, what we can see that a minus 10 volts voltage source is given, and 2 ampere current is flowing through it. This current is entering from the positive terminal, so this power is referred as absorbed power. Okay, the current is entering from the positive terminal, that means this power is referred as absorbed power, and which can be calculated as P absorb is equal to this 2 into minus 10. Okay, 2 into minus 10, that will become minus 20 watt. Okay, minus 20 watt absorb power. In any case in any case you can take, if any source is absorbing negative power, if any source is absorbing negative power, that means it is offering or delivering a positive power of the same magnitude. Okay, that means here we can see that this voltage source is absorbing negative 20 watt power. Okay, this is absorbing minus 20 watt power, that means it is delivering plus 20 watt power. Okay, similarly with the current sources. Now look at this third example. Now look at this third example. What we can see in this example, we are having a 10 volts voltage source, and a minus 2 ampere current is flowing through it, and this current is entering from the positive terminal. That means this power is referred as absorb power. Okay, this power is referred as absorb power, which can be written as this 10 into minus 2, that will become minus 20 watt. Okay, now look at these example. Now look at this example. In this, we are having a current source, and the voltage across this current source is 4 volts. Okay, we are having a 2 ampere current source, and voltage across this 2 ampere current source is 4 volts. Okay, now current is entering from this positive terminal, that means this power is referred as absorb power, so which can be calculated as 4 into 2, that will become 8 watt. Okay, now here you can see that we are having a 2 ampere current source, and voltage across this current source is minus 4 volts. Okay, voltage across this current source is minus 4 volts, and this current is leaving from the positive terminal. That means this power is referred as negative deliver power. Okay, P deliver is equal to this 2 into minus 4, that will become minus 8 watts. In any case you can take that if any source is absorbing or delivering, P deliver is equal to 20 watt, that means it is delivering a 20 watt power, so that it can be absorb minus 20 watt power. Okay, if any case you can take in any case of voltage case or current source case, you can take that if any source is delivering a 20 watt power, that means it is absorbing minus 20 watt power. Okay, in the next lecture we'll be discussing about some more questions on this absorb and deliver power. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.